Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to add a task in ProofHub. So to start, go to proofhub.com. Then once you're here at the left side, go to Home. So hover over Home, and from the options, you'll see My Tasks. So tap on My Tasks, and once you select My Tasks at the top, click on the plus icon. So click on it to add a task, and from here, so select your project, then select your task list. Next, choose a title, and in here, put in a description. So once you're done with that, at the bottom, you'll see fields. So here you can change the date, start, and due. So click on start and choose a date and click on due. You can also click on repeat. Next, choose a label. So click on select and you can label it as high, in progress, low, or medium. So just click the box to check it and click on add label. So you can also add title in here. You can select the project and click on add. Then down here, you can set assignees. So just click on select and choose a people. So click on add estimated time and put in the hours and minutes. And click on update and click on add at the bottom. And that's it. Task has been added. And that's basically it. So you just need to go to home icon at the left side, then choose my task, then choose the add button at the top to add a task. And that's it. Thank you for watching.